Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a bomb wig to show you guys from WowAfrican. I didn't give y'all a preview or anything this time because I wanted to show you all the unboxing, show you all how I finesse it, and just kind of take you all on a journey a little bit. This one completely takes me out of my comfort zone. This one is a showstopper, I am telling you. I was really unsure in the beginning what I was going to be able to do with it, but y'all hyped me up so much and let me know that I can wear any style, and I was like, I don't know about this one, y'all, but we gonna try it. My dark skinned sisters can wear blonde too. So I was like, okay, Mary, you got this. This unit is a 360 unit, so there's lace around the entire circumference. It also comes with an elastic band, and I love these because you can detach them. It has their brand logo on it, and it's a really thick band, so it keeps it nice and secure. Putting it on, I still was like, oh my goodness, this is a lot, y'all. It would look so good, and I actually saw photos on the website on lighter skin. It looks so bomb, but on me, I was like, I don't know. But I'm not trying to be one of those people that's in the box. So I was like, ooh, some curls would look nice with this. And I was just really excited to see the final look. I parted it to show you guys the length of parting space. It has about 6 inches of parting space. It's already pre-plugged. The knots on their units are pre-bleached, and they always do such an amazing job. Whenever I talk about a company that has very good quality wigs, WowAfrican is definitely at the top of my list. So right now I'm just turning it over, and I'm only going to tint the lace in the middle just to make it more so my color. So using my foundation, I'm just going to sweep that over the area where the parting space is, and then I'm going to begin to turn it back over, and we're going to flatten the unit out. And I love using the Sebastian Shaper holding spray. It's amazing. I spray that on, and then I follow it up with my hot comb, and that just gets it nice and flat, and I just love how it looks. It looks so good, and it gives the hair a nice shine.
You actually don't know me. It's just a drive, you know what I'm saying? Hey, oh, hey, that my fault. You caught me off guard. Acting like you know me, dog. Oh, yeah, that's my beat. Telling me how I should do it. Wait, you ain't me. Guess you gon' see, yeah.
So now that I've cut the lace off in the back, I shared with you guys that I wanted to actually curl the hair. So I'm going to do so using my curl wand. I feel like using a curl wand is such a fast and easy method in order to curl your hair. And with this particular unit, you guys are going to be able to see how it responds to being curled. I get asked that a lot with straight human hair, if it can be curled, and you guys are going to see how this hair responds.
Young boy out here chasing dreams. Everything that good ain't what it seems, yeah. Watch out now, you tryna cramp my style. What you doing, cause you wild. Thinking you know more than half of it. I heard your stuff, not a fan of it. Gave you the ball, now you traveling. Stop telling me how I should handle it. Got the hands hot like some cannabis. Found me a parlor, then patented it. She said she love that I'm passionate. Showed her your stuff and she laughed at it. Took your opinion, I'm trashing it. I think it's best that I pass on it. Take this track and run it back again. Take this track and run it back again, yeah. Ay. Hey, that my fault. You caught me off guard. Acting like you know me, dog. Oh, yeah, that's my beat. Telling me how I should do it. Wait, you ain't me. Guess you gon' see, yeah. Young boy out here chasing dreams. Everything that good ain't what it seems, yeah. Watch out now, you tryna cramp my style. What you doing, cause you wild. Thinking you know more than half of it. I heard your stuff, not a fan of it. Gave you the ball, now you traveling. Stop telling me how I should handle it. Got the hands hot like some cannabis. Found me a parlor, then patented it. She said she love that I'm passionate. Showed her your stuff and she laughed at it. Took your opinion, I'm trashing it. I think it's best that I pass on it. Take this track and run it back again. Take this track and run it back again, yeah. Ay.
So we're all finished curling and cutting the lace off. This lace looks so natural, and it is transparent lace, so it's going to give you a very beautiful seamless install. I love the lace on their units once again, and putting this unit on, if you wear a middle part, you can see you really do not need to secure it down. The elastic band is enough. Like, look at that. Look how flat it lays. Now on the sides, if the wind blows, you know, you might have a little peakage, but for the most part, it looks really great. And if you were to pin it down on the sides, that will work. I've shown that in another video. And although I was really tempted to do a glueless install, I decided to just secure the side down. So I'm going to use the Got2b glue in the yellow bottle. And for those who've asked me, I had one person who shared that they have trouble with the Got2b glue actually securing their units down and staying down. Be sure that you dry it first. Dry it until it's tacky and then put your unit down. Place the hairline down over where you place the Got2b glue and it'll stay for about a day or two. Now I remove my units every night and I'm going to show you all at the end of this video how to remove your unit, so be sure to stay until the end. After you dried it until it's tacky, then place the unit down over the Got2b glue. Use your comb in order to manipulate it and press into the lace, and that's going to keep it securely down. After you've done one side, move on to the next. You can do the middle if you decide to, but I didn't feel the need because I felt like it was super, super flat. And I know you all are looking for easier ways to install, so this is a very, very good method.
Lady, come here, let me tell you something. Lately I've been wondering if you could be mine forever. See, you was like God, he must be up to something. Know you tired of running, let's just stay here together. I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You don't even open up, so your heart can't get crushed. You've been let down so many times, you wonder if you need to get up. You done been through too much, but I ain't tryna mess this up. Hey, let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine, yeah. You just need your vacation.
Y'all, sometimes seeing is believing. And when I saw this, I was like, girl, this is nice. This looks really good. I can't believe you pulled this off. You out here looking real fancy. The curls added a really nice touch and they also held up very, very nicely. Here are the finished results, guys.
Hey, yo, chill. It's just a draft. Yeah. She a little bad. Hit her with the bag. Yeah. Put it on the tab. Don't know how to act. How you like that? How you like that? She a little bad. It's a little, yeah. Dang, girl. You got me head over heels with it. Hey, danger. You out here dressed to the kid with it. Way you breaking up next. I don't see how they can deal with it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Look, burning up like August. See no race, boy, 'cause you gorgeous. Told her that it ain't no thing. Look at you and it's obvious. Gives me every time, yeah. See it in my eye, yeah. Guns on sight, and she know that she a little bad.
Y'all, with this unit, you about to pull up to Thanksgiving dinner like, what? Auntie about to be snatching your wig off because she gonna want it. This turned out so much better than I was expecting, and I'm so glad that I took the risk and actually tried it. I actually recently saw Jackie Aina with a similar unit. She had the blonde streak in the front, but the back was more so of a brown color. So I was like, her skin tone is similar to mine. If she can pull it off, I think I can too. And I think I did a good job. You guys let me know how you think it looks on me. I think it turned out very, very well. I shocked myself. So right now I'm going to show you guys that although it comes with a middle part, you can absolutely switch it to the side and it's still going to look amazing. To be honest, I actually was feeling the side part much more than the middle. I think they both look great, but the side part was like, okay, this is nice. This is really nice. And the cool thing is that I didn't have to cut hair in order to create the baby hair. I just applied a small amount of the Nairobi mousse and just used that in order to mold the baby hair, and it turned out so fire. It looks amazing, guys. And WowAfrican is actually having a Black Friday sale. You do not want to miss it. Their sale is really awesome. You can save up to 22 to 25% off, which is pretty phenomenal, using code BLACK, and all the details will be down in the description box. They also have some little added bonuses that you can get when you purchase. So now I'm going to show you all how to actually remove your units safely and keep your edges. So I just spray water on my hairline and I gradually just allow for it to do what it does, and it doesn't take long at all. And then I just start lifting the lace and it comes right up. And I did it in real time so you all can see how easy it is and that it's really quick. So I do this every night, spray the water, lift the unit gradually, and my edges are intact. After I do this, I usually oil my edges and we're good to go.
You just need your vacation. need you a vacation. People say forever is a mighty long time, I don't know. I ain't really tripping if it mean that I'm holding you close to me. Baby girl, you all I need. Your smile is everything. Come and be my company. You need to take off for work. We can road trip in the A. We can take a dip by the bay. Hop on a plane, go to Spain. No matter the place, girl, you melt my heart like Pompeii. Ay. I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You done been through too much, so I ain't tryna mess this up. No, let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like.
Alright y'all, that's the end of this video. I hope that you all thoroughly enjoyed it. I hope you found it helpful to not only see how I install, but also how I remove. I love you guys. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, check the description, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.